In this video, I will quickly show you how to change your Revolut personal account to a business account. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and sign in to your account. Then go to the settings by tapping your profile icon. Now look for the Revolut Business or Business Account option inside the app. If the option does not appear directly, you can access the Revolut Business website using your browser. Next, click Create Business Account to start the registration process. Now, enter your business information such as company name, business type, and country of registration. You will also need to provide personal information of the business owner. After that, upload the required verification documents such as identification and business documents. The approval process may take some time while Revolut reviews the information. Once approved, you will be able to access your business account and use features like international payments, business cards, and financial management tools. Remember to check if Revolut Business is available in your country before starting the registration. And that's it. Now you know how to switch to a Revolut Business account easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.